My name is Brian Poole. I am a professor in the microbiology and molecular biology department. My journey to teaching was kind of interesting. I never really had any desire or knowledge that I could teach at all until I got here, and I found that I just really enjoy it. In my lab, I have usually about 15 students. I use this to teach them hopefully several different types of techniques and different ways of looking at things in a few different areas. We mostly focus on virology right now. Traditionally, and I think still continuing, my lab has been focused on immune reactions to virus infections. We've also been looking at some virus identification. So we're looking at identification of human papillomaviruses. We're looking at vaccines against a turkey virus called hemorrhagic enteritis virus. And we are looking at canine parvovirus, which can be devastating to dogs, and trying to figure out a way to deal with that. So we're doing a lot of kind of molecular virology right now in terms of detection and cloning and working with these viruses. We also have been really interested in vaccine hesitancy and why people have the ideas about vaccines that they do. In this, we generally use a survey format. We will survey different groups of people, find out what their attitudes are. And so that's not so much lab-based, it's very much computer and statistics-based. If I could say one thing to a student who is interested in joining my lab, it would be to read up on what we've been doing before you make a decision. Also, this lab is definitely for people who are self-motivated. I'm always here for help and for supervision and things like that, but I'm not super good at holding your hand all the way through. So this is a kind of a place for self-motivated people who really want to get some work done. What I like about seeing students in the lab is watching the undergraduates that I get who usually come in here knowing basically nothing about how to be in a lab and start off just watching the other people, and then some of them just jump right in, and just seeing kind of the passion and drive that a lot of them have. I love trying to make complex ideas understandable for students. I love seeing the light turn on in their eyes when they actually understand what's going on, and it's awesome. It's one of the best parts of my job.